This video provides an overview of IDC Marketing's Go Wine Tasting app. This app is available for both Apple and Android mobile phones and tablets. Go to the go-winetasting.com website to download the app. The Go Wine Tasting app currently targets all wineries in San Diego County and Temecula. At the time of this publication, this includes over 140 wineries. Currently, there are three primary functions to the Go Wine Tasting app, including searching for coupons on Groupon and Yipit, giving winery directions through various search algorithms, and accessing premium pre-wine paired recipes. The coupon page allows the user to type in the winery name, and the Go Wine Tasting app will automatically find either Groupon or Yipit coupons if they exist. This provides a valuable feature to the user. The directions page provides the user the ability to find wineries via 4 different methods, including stores by state and city listing, vicinity search, destination search, and route search. The wineries by state and city page provides a complete listing of participating wineries by state and then city. Here you can view our whole network of wineries and then save your favorites for future reference. Vicinity search provides a listing of participating wineries within a specified distance of your current location. The results are provided either alphabetically or by distance. The example shown is for Carlsbad with a 5-mile radius. Destination search provides a list of participating wineries within the vicinity of a provided location, city, and state, either alphabetically or by distance from the specified geographic location. Users can also limit the search distance from the target in miles. The example shown is for La Jolla, California with a 10-mile radius. Route search provides a list of participating wineries within a specified distance from the route you are driving in order of occurrence. The example shown is from Carlsbad to La Jolla, California with a 5-mile distance from the route. On the recipe page, the user can search from hundreds of premium recipes pre-paired with over 45 different wine varietals. This includes red, rosé, sparkling, sweet, and white wines. So get started today accessing the Go Wine Tasting app. This app will provide an invaluable tool for wine tasting experience in San Diego County. Enjoy.